Our next question is define electric field at a point or electric field intensity, and second part is give its SI unit and dimension. Electric field is defined as the region around a charged particle up to which it exerts a force on another charged particle. Now see, if I suppose it to be a negative charged particle and this to be a positive charged particle, then when I bring the charge near to the particle, it gets attracted towards it. Now see, the charge is small enough so the field is comparatively low. When I use a larger charge, in that case the strength and the distance up to which the force is exerted is larger. Hence, with increasing charge, the magnitude of electric field also increases. So statement is electric field is defined as the region around which a charge can exert force on another stationary charge. Now, if I need to define what is electric field at a point, so an electric field is said to exist at a point if a force of electrical origin is exerted on a stationary charged body placed at that point. It is a definition of electric field at a point. So, electric field is defined as the region around a charge up to which it can exert a force on another charge. Now coming over to electric field intensity or electric field strength. For this, always remember when we have charge Q, then force experienced by charge Q in a region of electric field is given by Lorentz force, that is F is equal to QE. What is it? Suppose I have a charge like this and I have a region of electric field like this. You can see this charge creates a field around it and this field exerts a force on the other charge. Hence, that force F is given by QE, where the value of Q is this value of Q and E is the electric field developed by this charge. Hence, F is equal to QE. We will read this in detail in next chapter. F is equal to QE. Always remember F equal to QE. Hence, we can see E is equal to F by Q. So, electric field intensity is defined as force per unit charge. Always remember electric field intensity is force per unit charge. In formal definition, we will write it as electric field intensity or electric field strength E vector at a point is defined as force experienced per unit positive test charge. What is test charge? The charge used for testing the electric field is known as the test charge. Small unit positive test charge placed at that point without disturbing the position of source charge. So, will not disturb the position of source charge, only we can see as I bring the charges near, the force experiences more, and if the distance is increased, in that case the force experiences comparatively less, and hence electric field is given by force per unit test charge. Coming to the next part of the question, that is give its SI unit and dimension. Now see, as you can see, E is equal to F by Q. Now, the unit of force is Newton and the SI unit of charge is Coulomb. So, the SI unit of electric field is Newton per Coulomb. Simple. And the second part was, I need to find a dimension. See, for dimension, we know that dimension of force is ml t minus 2 and the dimension of charge q, what it is, we know that I is equal to q by t, so q equal to I into t, or the dimension of charge q is I t. I can write I t. Hence, the dimension of electric field is E is equal to F by Q. So I have ml t minus 2 divided by IT. Now, if I bring I to the top numerator part and T to the numerator part, I have this value. Hence, the dimension of E is M L T to the power minus 2 and T to the power minus 1, that is T to the power minus 3 and I to the power minus 1. This is the dimension of electric field intensity or electric field strength, or simply electric field at a point. Our next question is, what is the physical significance of electric field? यानी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किस किस जगह पे काम आता है और क्यों ज़रूरी क्यों है, उस बारे में यहाँ देखेंगे हम लोग. सो व्हाट इज द फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट अ पॉइंट हेल्प्स अस टू डिटरमाइन फोर्स ऑन अ चार्ज. दैट मीन्स इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ही वो क्वांटिटी है जो बताता है किसी चार्ज पे कितना फोर्स काम कर रहा होगा. फील्ड जितना ज़्यादा होगा, फोर्स उतना ही ज़्यादा काम करता है किसी चार्ज पे. आपने देखा था कुछ देर पहले, फील्ड अगर कम होता है तो फोर्स भी उसमें कम काम करता है. लेकिन जब हम यहाँ पे फील्ड का वैल्यू बढ़ाते हैं, ज़्यादा फील्ड लेते हैं, इन दैट केस फोर्स भी यहाँ पे ज़्यादा काम करना शुरू कर देता है. जितना फील्ड हमारा कम होगा, फोर्स भी उतना कम होता है. यानी फील्ड ही वो क्वांटिटी है जो बताता है कि इस चार्ज पे फोर्स कितना काम करेगा. हेंस वी कैन राइट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट अ पॉइंट helps us to determine force on a charge. Writing it stepwise, the source charge Q. What is the source charge? If I suppose I place a charge and this charge is exerting a force on this one, then the charge which is exerting the force on the charge at rest is known as source charge, because this charge is exerting force and the force is being exerted on this one. This is known as test charge, and normally we write test charge as Q naught and source charge as Q. So I'm writing the source charge Q produces a definite electric field at every point. यानी जब भी एक सोर्स चार्ज लेंगे, सोर्स चार्ज के चारों तरफ एक फील्ड ज़रूर रहेगा एट एवरी पॉइंट, और जितना दूर जाएंगे उतना वैल्यू ऑफ फील्ड कम होगा, जितना पास रहेंगे उतना फील्ड ज़्यादा होता है. हेंस द सोर्स चार्ज Q प्रोड्यूसेस अ डेफिनेट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट एवरी पॉइंट. सेकेंड कंसेक्यूटिव पॉइंट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एट एनी पॉइंट determines the force on charge Q naught. now I'm saying Q naught. Q naught is test charge, the charge on which the force is being applied. The value of electric field, जैसे भी बताया आपको हमने, जितना दूर जाएंगे हम उतना इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का वैल्यू कम होगा, जितना पास आएंगे उतना फील्ड वैल्यू ज़्यादा होता है। यानी जितना हम पास रहेंगे उतना फोर्स ज़्यादा काम करता है, लेकिन जितना दूर जाएंगे उतना हमारा फोर्स का वैल्यू कम काम करेगा। ठीक, सो the value of electric field at any point determines force on charge Q naught, that is test charge. Hence we can write F is equal to Q naught T, because जितना ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा फोर्स काम करेगा। और ये भी याद रखने की बात है, जितना ज़्यादा बड़ा टेस्ट चार्ज होगा उतना ही ज़्यादा फोर्स काम करता है। यानी जो फोर्स किसी चार्ज पे काम कर रहा है वो डिपेंड करता है कि उसका खुद का चार्ज कितना है और उस पर कितना इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड अप्लाई किया गया है। This is the physical significance of electric field, and this formula is also known as Lorentz electric force.